Hello again. So in this video we'll see how to change the image and description and the profile what people see in your API key. So it's like this. People will see your API key here. I mean your most probably to be an AI. Okay, so it's in your community API. This one, if it's it will be huge. That's what I expect. So I will create another page for it alone or something like this, or you can do search for here what you want. For example, string. I don't know. You can do search here. You can be smarter with time. Okay. So for example, I have this one is mine, so I can change it. Okay, if it's mine, I can read this pen. I can have this pen. If it's not mine, for example, this one, I don't know for who. Okay, it's for me. Wait, should be connected. Okay, this is me. So it has the token, that's why. This is me, I can change it. Otherwise, for example, if it's not me, mine, for example, this one, it's not mine, I can't see the change thing. So this one is for another person that he did create it, and he will get paid for each person use it anyway with the URL or inside the lab. Okay. So he did choose this picture, this icon, and this picture. These are two default things, yeah, two default pictures. So he didn't change these. So the title, it's another thing. Anyway, that is wrong. Okay. Here he says, for example, $1 for each 1,000 views for this box, and here it should have the ms, yani how much millisecond this will take. And here, if you want to go for this person and see his profile, so in his profile we can see the public APIs he has. If he has private API, we can't see it in here. Okay, so let's go again to the lab, go to my to one of my things. So I have the pen here. Okay, so I should have description. Let us say this one, this I do describe. This is a tutorial box. I do commas like do this one is change what tags. So replace test. Okay, the image I should have image. Okay, so I go to Google, for example. Let us say replace string icon. It's not a string, but it's okay. This one I did like. For example, this person, I want to copy the address of this image. I'm saying this is for tutorial only. You can, for example, take another one. Okay, I will take these as, let's say, I did like this. I will take this image. I don't care about it, but it's really test. I did like this. Okay, so it will show like this, and response time. Let us say it's 0 millisecond, but it's 1 millisecond. Let us say processor cost. Price per 1,000. I can, for example, say for this cost, for each time this person or anybody use this, for each 1,000, I will take, let us say, $10. Okay, but doesn't make sense. People will not pay for that in $10. In $10 any day, and people are calculating it. The users of this platform, Pagol, is, and they are webmasters, so they calculate every cost. Every cost on each on everything. You shouldn't put something illogic. Okay, so let us say $2 per 1,000. You did create something, you didn't put any API key, so you don't have any cost. So it's any price you put, it's good for you. Okay, And let us say example request. Okay, I will go to the lab. Okay, let us put this. So we will do one test. You will have this input. Uh, tests replace SSS. Okay, we'll put it. Tac. This is the يعني mm, MSG equal blah blah. Okay, so I'll say example request. So where MSG equal this and in the URL, and the response is this test RSS blah, blah. It's copied, so it's lowercase, that's why. So let's do it uppercase to make it do something. Replace this td tech. I did use this. Okay, where message equal. And if you didn't understand why I did put where message equal, you can use its link. يعني its link is like that the link that is put it here, and it contains the let us say, for example, it has this. I will enter another place just for getting the identifier. This one. Okay, let us say pagol.io slash execute this API. Okay, where MSG equal hey baby. Okay, this is API execute while uppercase. Anyway, why MSG. Okay, hey baby. RR. So it's executing. So for example, this is an example of it. Or let us use this one. Maybe it's better. Hey, blah blah, tech. So this is the example. Okay, this is the example and full example. This is space, this is space, this is space, this is space. Exactly. So the result is that hey baby blah blah. This is the result. Okay. Yani this is optional. You can put it, you cannot. But it's more important. And you can use post, by the way, and you put here the result. And if it's post, you put like the body. This is yani, the more you explain, the better. You have more users, maybe. Contact. So the person that you will contact, for example, let us say info at Pagol Pagol Allah.io. Discord, you put Discord link for this person. Category, this will be removed from here. API documentation, if you have external API, for example, I will put this anyway, or I will put the API link or something like this. Okay, to make it, if you want to documentation or something, it will execute this example request. That does make sense a little bit. Okay, contact, this is the contact, blah blah. I think here you should put like something like WhatsApp number. Okay, owner's WhatsApp. No, this was space. Owner website. Space. So it's blah blah. This dot. Yo. Make it public. If I press it public, it will be it's public. Save. Okay, what is it? It is here area. Blah blah. Okay. Wait. That's really true. It's in a main. This one is in a main. I will copy here. What when I copy it here, it will add HTTPS automatically. That's why. Sorry. So Let's do it. It says here, aha, if you are for real the owner, it will make sure that you are the owner in this exact time. So if there is a hacker that wants to do this formula automatically from the other side, he should have your signature. Okay. So wait. By using this to make sure that nobody can do. Okay, you say this message focus on this. Please sign this message to confirm your identity. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this 1, 2, 3 will be variable next time, okay? Sometimes it will add you another message, but it will be the same body, okay? With an generated, this one will be generated from server and then you sign it and then it will confirm that you did sign this, okay? To make it more secure. Now it's secure, but it will be more. Okay, error updating API profile. I will do it again. Okay, now I will sign. Okay, API profile updated successfully. Okay, good. So this is formula. Added, updated. Okay, I will go to the lab again and I will see mine. Okay, the icon did change, but it's better if I did use one PNG like this. Okay, okay, the tags are here. Replace test. I did click it. Now I can use it anyway. So tutorial save API and get hosted URL. Its name. Okay, I did go to the profile. I can see my icon, the banner. This is this description here. This part of more details like title. I don't know why title is empty, but it's here. Anyway, I would check category. Here it means tags. That's why I said category into last formula to be removed. Replace test. Pricing. It's $2 per 1,000 request. MS, this one, I don't know. This one, I'll check why it's not set. Okay, this one I will do. Okay, it has the documentation. Doesn't need a lot of documentation because it's simple. You can do a documentation like your page, your place, your npm page, anything you have that will explain how it will be used. Okay, so these kind of things will anything here that you say you see wrong, it will be fixed anyway, but I will just want to make you understand this and this. These are the things that will make everybody or anybody choose this API or not. Okay, and this is talking only about the owner of this API, how much he will take for each execution.